let's discuss with the types of antibodies. IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE and IgD. So these are the 5 types of antibodies which are produced in a body. Why it is denoted as IgG? Because Ig is for Ig, I small g. It is representing the antibody. Okay, so it is common in everyone in the each case, but later on, like capital G, A, M, E and D, they are written, so they are denoting the different types of the antibodies. Now first is IgG. So it crosses the placenta and play an important role in producing the fetus. Okay, it means that before birth it will come into our body. It crosses the placenta and play an important role in producing the fetus. Next is IgA antibody. It is present in colostrum. Okay, it is present in the colostrum. And IgM, it is the largest antibody. साइज में ये बहुत बड़ी होती है, और it is the first antibody to appear in the response against the पैथोजन. मीन्स कि हमारी बॉडी में अगर कोई एंटीजन आता है तो सबसे पहले जो रिस्पॉन्स शो होता है दैट इज़ बाय द IgM एंटीबॉडी. तो सबसे पहले जो एंटीबॉडी हमारी बॉडी के अंदर फॉर्म होती है दैट इज़ IgM एंटीबॉडी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज IgE. That is protection against parasites. It provide the protection against the parasites, and even they activate the mast cells and basophils to release the histamine. That we will do detail in the allergies topic, that how they activate mast cells and basophils, and after activation what will happen. Okay, next is IgD. IgD, it activate the B cells to take part in the immune response. Clear? Now next are the types of the acquired immune response. Acquired immune response that are also of 2 types. First, that is humoral mediated response. Second, that is the cell mediated response. Okay, humoral mediated response, it is linked with the B cells. जो humoral antibody mediated response होते हैं वो B cells से linked होते हैं. As the antibodies present in the plasma, so known as humoral immune response. Okay, जो humoral immune response होते हैं उनके अंदर क्या होता है कि B cells जो होते हैं they produce the antibodies, they secrete the antibodies, and then these antibodies they will move from the site of the production to the different sites. But the plasma cells which are responsible for producing these antibodies, they will not move to the site of the infection. Clear? Only the antibodies. What are plasma cells here? Plasma cells, they are the type of the B cells. So what is the role of the B cells? B cells, they produce the antibodies, and these antibodies then they fight against the infection. Okay, now I have written here the plasma cells, they do not move to the site of the infection. Only the antibodies which are secreted, they will move to the site of the infection, which are produced by the plasma B cells. Okay, and they defend against some viruses, encapsulated bacteria, means जिसके ऊपर कैप्सूल प्रेजेंट नहीं होता, and toxins that enter the blood and the lymph. And these B cells which produce the antibodies, they develop and mature in the bone marrow. Clear? These points I have written one by one so that you can differentiate between the humoral and the cell mediated immune response. Why? Because this question generally it comes in the board, that you have to differentiate between the humoral immune response and the cell mediated immune response. Now all of you know that why these are known as the humoral. Humoral means the fluid. Okay, so B cells, they produce the antibodies in the fluid plasma, so that's why these are known as the humoral antibody mediated response. Now next is the cell mediated immune response. Now what are the cell mediated immune response? In this, it is mediated by the T lymphocytes, shown by the T lymphocytes that are produced in a body. And T lymphocytes, what they will do, that they can reject the ट्रांसप्लांट्स, वो ट्रांसप्लांट्स को जो है ईजिली रिजेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ट्रांसप्लांट्स क्या होते हैं? मीन्स जैसे किसी दूसरे की बॉडी से हमने कोई ऑर्गन या कुछ टिश्यूज़ जो है वो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ट्रांसप्लांटेशन हुई है, तो उस चीज़ को, अब वो चीज़ ना हो तो उसके लिए हमें सप्रेसेंट्स लेने पड़ते हैं ताकि वो जो रिजेक्शन हो रही है वो ना हो. क्योंकि टी सेल्स क्या करता है कि कोई भी जो नॉन सेल्फ सेल्स होते हैं हमारी बॉडी के अंदर, नॉन सेल्फ सेल्स मीन्स कि जो हमारी बॉडी के सेल नहीं है, तो जब वो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एंटर करेंगे तो ये अपना रिस्पॉन्स शो करते हैं उसके अगेंस्ट. क्लियर? सो दैट्स वाई दे रिजेक्ट, they cause the rejection against the transplants, and even they reacted against the cancer cells also. And T cells, they can move to the site of infection. Here you can see that T cells, they will not produce any antibodies. T cells कोई antibodies produce नहीं करते, वो सिर्फ B cells को help करते हैं ताकि वो antibodies को produce कर सके. Okay, so here the whole T cells, they move to the site of infection, but in that case only the antibodies that are produced by the plasma B cells, they are responsible to move, they can move to the site of infection. Clear? So that is the difference. T cells move to the site of infection, and what they will do, they can defend against viruses, protist, fungi and some bacteria which enter the cells. ठीक है. यहाँ पर in case of the B lymphocytes, what they will do, antibodies, they show the action against the pathogens which are present in the blood and in the lymph. But here T cells, they show their action against the infected cells. Okay, जो infected cells होते हैं उनके against वो अपना action show करता है. Clear? Now next is that where they develop, like the B cells, they develop and mature in bone marrow. T cells, they develop and mature in thymus. But all the cells that are present in our body, that are formed by the bone marrow. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जितने भी सेल्स होते हैं बोन मैरो प्रोड्यूस करता है, लेकिन बी सेल्स की डेवलपमेंट बोन मैरो में ही होती है. और टी सेल्स कहाँ पर डेवलप होते हैं? दे डेवलप एंड मैच्योर इन दी थाइमस ग्लैंड.